Did you know this humble vegetable could be the secret to luscious, thick hair? Yes, I'm talking about onions. Today, we'll explore how onions can help boost hair growth, the science behind it, and how you can use them to transform your hair care routine. Stay tuned till the end for a DIY onion hair mask recipe. Sulfur helps improve blood circulation to the scalp, stimulate hair follicles, and strengthen hair strands. Onions are rich in sulfur, a mineral that's essential for healthy hair. Stimulates hair growth. Regular use of onions in hair care can lead to faster, thicker, and healthier hair growth over time. Sulfur, a key component found in onions, plays a vital role in boosting collagen production. Collagen is an essential protein that helps in the generation of new hair cells and strengthens hair follicles. Regular application of onion juice or masks can activate dormant hair follicles, leading to faster and thicker hair growth. Reduces dandruff. A clean, infection-free scalp creates a healthy environment for hair to grow and reduces flakiness and itchiness. Onions contain antifungal and antibacterial properties that fight off scalp infections, including dandruff caused by yeast or fungi. Prevents hair breakage. Onions help prevent hair breakage by strengthening the hair strands through their high sulfur content, which supports the production of keratin, a key protein that enhances the structure and resilience of hair. Stronger hair means fewer split ends and less overall hair fall, contributing to healthier-looking locks. Adds shine. Regular use can enhance the natural shine of your hair. Consistent use of onion treatments can transform dull and lifeless hair into glossy and vibrant locks. The antioxidants in onions improve scalp health, promoting better nutrient absorption by hair follicles. This revitalizes the hair and enhances its natural luster. Now, let's talk about how you can incorporate onions into your hair care routine. One popular method is onion juice. Here's how you can make it at home. Take a medium-sized onion, peel it, and chop it into small pieces. Blend the pieces into a smooth paste and strain the juice using a cloth. Massage the juice directly onto your scalp and leave it for 30 minutes. Wash your hair with a mild shampoo to remove the smell. Use onion treatments 2 to 3 times a week for the best results. To reduce the smell, add a few drops of essential oil, like lavender or rosemary, to your mixture. So, there you have it, the secret power of onions for boosting hair growth. Give it a try and let me know your results in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips. Let's stay informed, stay healthy, and thrive together. See you in the next video.